The Mohican Fire Tower, located in Mohican Memorial State Forest, is 80 feet tall and was constructed in 1934. At the time it was built, the Mohican Fire Tower had an average visibility of 10 miles in all directions. This allowed the towerman to keep an eye on approximately 200,000 acres of land. Beginning in the 1920s and 1930s, fire wardens and foresters used wildfire lookout towers to spot blazes on Ohio lands. Ohio's fire towers were staffed by lookouts and equipped with binoculars, maps, a radio, telephone, and an alidade, a device used to pinpoint a wildfire location. Aerial surveillance of wildfires by aircraft began in the 1940s, and Ohio's fire towers were slowly phased out. The last tower was closed in 1978. While monitoring from fire towers is a thing of the past, they remain a proud symbol of forest conservation and a monument to the people who work to preserve our natural resources. When weather conditions allow, visitors can climb the stairs of the tower at their own risk. From the top of the tower, visitors have a magnificent 360-degree view of the surrounding forests and hills.